Module 4, A Personal Inventory. In 2002, Josie Bass published a book by James Kozes and Barry Posner called The Leadership Challenge. Building upon the Hersey-Blanchard model and other transformational leadership models, they went to the heart of what skills are required by the leader to stimulate such a transformation. What abilities are able to influence followers and bring them to accept the leader's vision as their own? An introduction to Kozes and Posner. Topic objective: to explore the 5 leadership abilities. James Kozes and Barry Posner asked thousands of people to rank a list of characteristics associated with leadership, including the 7 top qualities that motivated them to follow willingly. They gave this survey to over 75,000 people over a 20-year period. In their book, The Leadership Challenge, the authors identified 5 abilities that were crucial to successful leadership. 1. Model the way. You must lead by example. You can't come into work 10 minutes late every day if you want your employees to arrive on time. 2. Inspire a shared vision. If you capture the imagination, you will inspire creative thought and increase loyalty. The vision doesn't need to be grandiose, but it needs to be communicated effectively for others to adopt it as one of their own. 3. Challenge the process. Don't continue doing something just because we've always done it that way. Situations change, and sometimes a policy or procedure never worked well in the first place. Think outside the box. 4. Enable others to act. Truly empower people to act on their own within their level of authority. The famed Ritz-Carlton Hotel empowers every employee at all levels by allowing them to spend up to $2,000, making any single guest satisfied. 5. Encourage the heart. A positive attitude is infectious. If the leader appears passionate or excited about the vision, others will catch the enthusiasm as well. Topic summary. Model the way, inspire a shared vision, challenge the process, enable others to ask, encourage the heart. A personal inventory. Topic objective. Assess your personal strengths and opportunities for growth. The results of the Kozes-Posner study, with the most important quality at the top. 1. Honest. 2. Forward-looking. 3. Competent. 4. Inspiring. 5. Intelligent. 6. Fair-minded. 7. Broad-minded. 8. Supportive. 9. Straightforward. 10. Dependable. 11. Cooperative. 12. Determined. 13. Imaginative. 14. Ambitious. 15. Courageous. 16. Caring. 17. Mature. 18. Loyal. 19. Self-control. 20. Independent. Topic summary. Use the Kozes or Posner study results to assess your leadership qualities. Creating an action plan. Topic objective. To discuss the idea of creating an action plan. Now that you understand the various concepts, it's time to plan how to put them into action by incorporating them into your life. 1. Set leadership goals. In leadership, as well as in life, the process of learning never stops, so you need to prioritize the qualities you want to develop. 2. Address the goals. Determine how you will accomplish your goals. Do you feel you need to learn more about teamwork so you can better lead a team? If yes, join a team sport. Do you want to communicate better? Take a creative writing class or join Toastmasters and get some public speaking experience. Toastmasters are also great if you are shy and want to feel more comfortable in social situations. 3. Seek inspiration. Learn about a variety of leaders, including their approach to dealing with challenges. Read books and conduct research on the internet or at libraries. 4. Choose a role model. Based on your research, Choose a role model that fits your personality. You might choose a dynamic leader like Teddy Roosevelt, or an intellectual leader like Albert Schweitzer or Albert Einstein. Read several biographies and find videos of their life. 5. Seek experience. Take a leadership role on a social group or club. Gain experience working with people on many levels. 6. Create a personal mission statement. Imagine your legacy. How do you want to be remembered? What do you want people to think of you? What type of leader are you determined to be? Write a statement that defines who you will become. Topic summary. This part asks participants to discuss creating an action plan. Stories to share. When you do the things in the present that you can see, you are shaping the future that you are yet to see. I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that's how you grow. Melissa Mayer.